Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. On a recent holiday to the Philippines, I filmed some of my favorite Filipino street food. My top 3 Filipino street food are: my third favorite street food is banana cue. Wow, kanindot oh. It's almost done. And you sprinkle one sugar in it, and then that's it, done. Now, this is the finished product. Wow. You put it in a skewer, and that's the result. It looks absolutely delicious. Look at that. It's coated with lots of sugar. It's caramelized sugar, That's a ripe banana. We call it banana cue. It's my third favorite. I loved it. Third favorite street food in the Philippines. Here is how we cook the banana cue. In a deep frying pan, pour the cooking oil. Turn on the heat on high. Once the oil is hot, add the brown sugar and turn the heat to medium. Give it a stir until the sugar starts to caramelize. Once the sugar starts to caramelize, add the bananas. Stir continuously until turns golden brown and covered with the caramelized sauce. Turn off the heat, remove the bananas and place on a strainer to dry off excess oil. Then immediately skewer the bananas, serve warm and enjoy the banana cue. Now let's taste it. Absolutely delicious. It's heaven. Yum yum. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Lami kayo. My second Filipino favorite street food is isaw. Crispy fried isaw is a street food from the Philippines. Isaw is made from deep fried chicken intestines, usually dipped in vinegar or sukang pinakurat. The intestines are cleaned, boiled, drained and skewered. Then add egg, soy sauce, flour to the isaw. Then immediately deep fry until golden brown. Once the isaw turns golden brown, remove from the heat and place on a strainer to dry off excess oil. Isaw is absolutely crispy and delicious. Tastes just like chicken. And it's very cheap. Everyone can afford isaw. Isaw is my second Filipino favorite street food. Can't wait to eat it. Coated with flour, intestine, and just deep fat fried it. Yes, that's it. And there's the tendero. Oh, guwapo, diba? Oh. Basta taga Cebu, mga guwapo na. Ayara. Now it's done. Let's taste it. You dip in the sauce like that, and then you eat it straight away like this. Oh, absolutely lovely. It's a hot chili. It's a hot vinegar. You dip in like that, and then eat. Absolutely delicious. Hi guys, I have a question for you. Would you eat isaw or have you eaten isaw before? And if you eaten isaw before, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of it. My favorite street food is balut. Balut is a 14 to 21 day egg with embryo and egg in it, which is absolutely delicious. It can be either duck or chicken. Stay tuned guys, because I'm going to show you how to eat balut. Guys, you never see balut sold during the day. It's always at night time. And that's the trick of eating balut, not to see what you're eating.
First favorite street food is balut. And this is how you eat it. There's a little chick inside. Like that. Then you open like that. See? And then, as you can see, like that. I like the broth in it. And you can see, very nice. You just lick it like that. And you can see there's a chicken in there. Lick it like chicken. Little chick, a baby chicken. And then you put a bit of salt like that. And then vinegar. And then you sip it like that. Now the chick is gone inside my belly. Yum, 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 yum. Try it, guys. Delicious and it's very healthy for you. Yum, yum. That's it. You only eat the yellow one and the chicken. And the little chick. Not the hard one. Okay. Try it when you come in the Philippines. Okay? Yum, yum.
I hope you enjoyed watching my top 3 Filipino street food today. And if you like it, then like it and share. And if you love it, please subscribe. Stay tuned, guys, because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English.
And this is Maruya. It's cooked already. Put it with flour. And then cook it with flour and eggs. Eggs, no? Itlog? Butang nga itlog. Usan mong gisagol, ana? Harina ra? Just coat it with flour and that's the result. You put sugar in it and that's it. Welcome, guys, to the street food of the Philippines. This is Maruya and you can put sugar. Put it with a banana, a ripe banana coated with flour, and you just sprinkle it with sugar like that, and then you can eat it like that. Very nice. Tag 5 ra. Cheers.